So my name is Omar Rampersad. It's 7:30 p.m., August 19, 2019. So I'm looking down at my microwave detector here, and I'm going to take the camera off the hook, and I'm going to show you the screen that's sitting on the placemat made out of rubber. That's my computer. This is me, and I'm going to touch, that's me, I'm going to touch the screen or the detector to my body. I'm also going to hold the detector. The sensor is on this side, so I'm just going to put my hand around the detector like this. Actually, just a hand, not touching my body. It's just a few inches away from my tummy, from my stomach. So I put another view on. So instead of giving bars or lines, it's it's showing a continuous picture of the underlying radio frequency readings and the spikes. And it also gives you a number. So let's see if we can get it sharper there. So I'm still holding on to it, and you can see those spikes. Now I'm hoping to get temperature readings that will be in sync with these spikes. Because what these spikes are really is um, the tagging of my hand. Because my hand, the left hand is burning, and the um, the power can't be turned up all the time. It has to be pulsed. And you can see very, very clearly the pulsing here. It gives you a reading, so it's ranging from 2.402 gigahertz, 2.463, 2.464, sorry about the visibility there. So the range seemed to be about plus or minus zero point 0.6. 0.64 approximately. So that's minus 0.63 plus 0.64. At least that's what it looks like. 0.64 seems to be the average of the range. Two point four one four, 2.480, plus or minus. So I'm just learning this as I go along. I mean, Anybody out there who knows more about it, feel free to interpret it as uh, as they think it should be. But you can see there are a lot of spikes going on. There's a lot of sustained spiking as well. They're not single lines going up and down. And right now my back is hurting. So just going to take my hand off and point it towards my body. So it's touching me right now, my stomach. So you can clearly see that there is an underlying amount of radiation. At the bottom, you can see there is solid areas that's constantly there. And then you can clearly see the spikes. So I'm interpreting this to mean that there is pulsing going on, as the spikes clearly show. And the longer the pulsing, the um, the longer the spikes. It's not one line, it's just a whole area, like that one right there. One Mississippi, two Mississippi, three Mississippi, one Mississippi, two Mississippi, three Mississippi, one Mississippi, two Mississippi, three Mississippi. So it's about 3 seconds, approximately 3 seconds long. That huge spike right there in the middle of the screen. One Mississippi, two Mississippi, three Mississippi. There it is again. So 3 seconds on and 3 seconds off. So I'm focusing on that mountain-like shape right in the middle there. One Mississippi, two Mississippi, three Mississippi. One Mississippi, two Mississippi, three Mississippi. Almost 3 seconds, not quite. So it's 3 seconds on and 3 seconds off. So just going to give you another view here. I'm going to just hold just my hand. This is just my hand. And you get a similar pattern with my hand, but not quite. So this is not touching my body, it's just my hand is holding on to the side of the detector that has the sensors. Now the pattern there is different from the one on the body. Yeah, it's getting to be a little bit, actually a lot different. So these are preliminary findings and inquiries about the RF readings around my body. And what I find is, of course, the higher the numbers and the more frequent the pulses, the more pain I'm in. So it's over 10 minutes, and I'm just going to close it off there.